The Lord be with you.
And with your spirit.
A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Matthew.
Glory to you, O Lord.
Jesus said to his disciples, "You have heard that it was said to your ancestors, 'Do not take a false oath, but make good to the Lord all that you vows.' But I say to you, do not swear at all, nor by heaven, for it is God's throne, nor by the earth, for it is his footstool, nor by Jerusalem, for it is the city of the great King. Do not swear by your head, for you cannot make a single hair white or black. Let your yes mean yes, and your no mean no. Anything more is from the evil one." The Gospel of the Lord.
Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ. Please be seated.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. And welcome to the Minor Basilica of Our Lady of the Rosary of Manaoag. Sa ating ebanghelyo ngayon, ating narinig, simple lang, let us simplify our lives. Kapag sinabi nating oo, edi oo. Kung hindi o no, edi no. Naaalala ko pa when we were growing up, kapag meron tayong, kami ay naglalaro at meron kaming sinasabi, merong paduktong, hindi lamang yung isang sentence, sasabihin namin ay, "Cross my heart and hope to die." Diba, matindi rin yun pagka sinabi, "Cross my heart and hope to die." Just to make sure that my words are true. Pero hindi naman talaga kailangan na yun. Sabi nga sa atin ng Panginoong Jesus sa ating ebanghelyo, when you say yes and mean yes and do what it takes to mean yes. The words of God are offering us salvation. Pero the words of man, people like us, are always limited. Sometimes nangyayari, kumisan hindi. Kaya nga merong naimbento ang tao, meron tayong tinatawag na construct. Kapag tayo ay uutang halimbawa sa isang tao o di kaya sa bangko, meron tayong tinatawag na collateral or guarantee. Just in case you are unable to keep your side of the bargain. Ano ba yung mga collateral na yan? Halimbawa, in simple terms, kung tayo ay merong relo, pwede nating iprenda, pwede nating ipon, bibigyan ka ng pera, may kapalit. So you have to pay that money, and then ibibigay din sa iyo yung pinon mo. Of course, that has some kind of interest. So in other words, for us to be true to what we promise to do, kailangan merong mga guarantees. Kasi marami rin sa atin, kuminsan hindi na fulfill yung ating part of the bargain. Kaya sinisiguro lamang ng mga nagpapaluwag sa atin na hindi sila, they will not be caught holding the bag, ika nga. Well, that's how it is in human interactions. Pero when it comes to how we relate to God, I think it's not just our lips, hindi tinatawag natin lip service. Kailangan manggaling ang ating yes o ang ating no sa ating mga kalooban, in our heart of hearts. Hindi na kailangan actually ang guarantees. Pagka sinabi natin sa Panginoon, yes, o edi yes. Pagka sinabi natin, Lord, hindi ko kaya o sorry, nagkamali ako. Naiintindihan ng Panginoon yun. Kaya nga ang Panginoon, di ba, since time immemorial, ay pumapasok sa tinatawag nating covenant. Kaya nga tayo, hindi lang kasama yung chosen people of Israel, tayo kasama na rin doon. He enters into a covenant with us. Kaya nga meron tayong tinatawag na 10 Commandments. Ito yung kanyang side of the bargain. Madalas ba natin ginagawa? Kung minsan ginagawa natin. Masaya tayo kapag walang problema, nagagawa natin lahat ang gustong pagawa sa atin ng Panginoon. But there are times, hindi po ba, we fall short. of that covenant. And the Lord understands that. So even in our human relationships, when we interact with one another, kapag ka sinabi natin yes, there will be times perhaps na hindi natin na-fulfill. But if we are sincere, that is the only guarantee, maiintindihan tayo nung pinagpangakuan natin na ito yung gagawin ko. Halimbawa, sa pera, kung hindi tayo makabayad, pwede bang extend mo? In other words, hindi na kailangan yung mga cross my heart and hope to die or kung ano man yung mga promises na kinikip natin. Let us simplify our lives. When we say yes, let us mean yes. Let our actions reflect that yes. If we say no, then that's the end of the conversation. So sana ay maging ganoon ang ating mga patakaran sa buhay. Hindi na kailangan i-complicate pa.